Hola guys, how are you guys doing? It's officially the first day of us moving out of the house. I'm really excited. Actually Brooks had started loading everything into the U-Haul truck. Let me show you. Well, looks like Brooks already loaded everything.
Yay.
You look so miserable.
I hate moving.
What will be next? My room? Basically?
Yeah.
I've got some stuff like on the floor. Like all of this. Gotta just put it away. So they can just take the drawers and take them downstairs into the truck. They're heavy. We normally don't close them. I mean, we never really get stuff out of them when we move. We just take them as they are.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go.
I completely forgot I had an event, virtual event today. So I'm here. So I'm taking a little break while I'm just watching. Thank you so much for Minos for inviting me to the event.
I always really make sure that when I'm prepping my skin to do my own makeup, I really get in under my eyes, because I get really dry, like when I just in general in here and right in here, and then my makeup sometimes doesn't stay in those areas as well. So I really make sure that I'm like getting in there with a good amount of cream.
We are almost done, at least with my room. You can see it's a little dark here, but boxes, that's trash, more boxes, all of that needs to get in the truck right now. And then the last thing that I've got to do is just literally clean that up. All right, so we're in the U-Haul. It's 6:18 and we have packed most our stuff. We are on our way to the apartment, and then I guess it's gonna be a long night. How do you think it's gonna take us to unload everything?
Probably done by midnight or 1 o'clock.
Come on.
I'm being serious.
Seriously?
Yes. It's 2 stories, baby.
Alright, so I'll see you guys at midnight then. The guys are actually gonna unload the truck, and I'll be the one kind of putting stuff away in each room and everything. It's gonna be a long night.
And what's the rule?
But I gotta know where everything goes, because he's not gonna move stuff around twice. But it's okay. I got that from my mom. In a few months, I'll move stuff around.
Everything.
I just get tired of having everything just one way. It's like, it's boring. So I need to move something around. So it looks like new, but it's not new. It's just
Different environment.
yeah. But yeah, I'll see you in the apartment. We are in the apartment. The guys are already unloading, and I'm actually really impressed because look at this. They are all dirty. Don't mind them, but the fit, oh, so perfectly. Like, what? It was meant to be. It was meant to be. I completely forgot to keep recording earlier. I got too busy. I was opening a few boxes, putting stuff away, trying to figure out how I was gonna set up everything. So yeah, I forgot to film. But we are back in the house. We're gonna spend the night here today, and then tomorrow we'll definitely spend the night for the first time in the apartment. We still need to obviously take a few stuff like our bed. There's some stuff like our bathroom stuff, my skincare, all of that I have in the bathroom. I need to take all of that with me. Just random stuff that we have around the house, and then we also need to figure out what's trash, what needs to go into storage, and all of that. I'll keep you guys updated. This was day 1. I'll see you on day 2. Morning, it's day 2 of us moving. I just dropped off Alana at daycare. She stayed the night at her auntie's house, actually, just so we could like figure out stuff last night. Oh, allergies, I hate them. I never used to have it. Like I was never like this before I moved to Colorado. Ever since I moved to Colorado, allergies kill me. I hate it. Oh, anyway, I'm on my way to Dutch Bros. I'm gonna get some coffee because I need it. I just got the best news ever. If you know me and follow me on Instagram, you know I don't do Starbucks anymore. I do Dutch Bros. It's just so good. And I was so sad because now we're moving to Highlands Ranch, and it's like 20 minutes from here, and they don't have one store over there. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make the trip to Parker. I was talking to one of the girls now that I was getting my Dutch Bros, and she told me that the owner is thinking about opening up one by my new apartment. So I am happy. Hello. Okay, it's 1:18. I guess ready to get out. We have made some progress. Still looking a little crazy, but we got rid of a bunch of trash. You know, Brooke is gonna bring the truck, the U-Haul, to our driveway so we can keep loading. I have no idea how he manages to drive such a huge truck. I will have already crashed. I'm tired. Oh yeah, come here. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You excited? Lily, seriously. Stay. Definitely don't want them running around right now. But yeah, had to get them harnesses that are double leash, one in the front and one in the back, because otherwise they will drag my booty all over the apartment complex. So playing out here with Alana because she's sad because daddy just left. Oh my goodness. I need to wait for her auntie to be home so I can drop her off. She can spend the night over there so we can get stuff done. Alana.
Make this day.
¿Qué es eso?
Day.
No sé qué me dices, mi amor.
Cheese.
Cheese. Almost 9 p.m. We got the whole gang here. Ike, Lily, we're on our way there for the first time. Gonna go to the apartment. We cannot leave him alone here because he howls. He's got some separation anxiety. So yeah, we cannot leave him. We gotta take him with us. So I'm on my way. I just dropped off Alana at her auntie's house. She's gonna spend the night over there, and we're all good. We're all good. I'm exhausted, but we're all good. Morning. It's day number 3 of us moving. I can't believe it's been 3 days now. But I'm on my way to go pick up Alana at her auntie's so I can drop her off at school, and then I have to come back. We need to unpack, and we still need to go get some stuff at the house. But so far everything has been nice. We woke up in the apartment today. It was real nice, actually. I know I am not looking good, but I just wanted to show you the madness of our apartment right now. It's insane. But let us just unpack. I'll show you. Our room is kind of set up a little bit. There you go. I love it. Our bathroom is a whole other mess. You can see that. But it will take us a couple of days to give everything a place. And yeah, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Lily and I are very tired right now. We went for a walk. They saw bunnies. Lily wanted to catch the bunny, of course, but the bunny was faster than her for sure. And Ike is real tired. He's still trying to get used to the new place. He's still a little anxious, but it's all good. Now I'm gonna keep unpacking, get some stuff done, and I'll see you later. I am looking crazy, but I just picked up Alana. She's in a little bit of a mood. And she's gonna go to the apartment for the very first time, so I'll show you guys her reaction. I don't know, she's laughing. I have no idea what's going on, but we're ready to go to the apartment and let's see what happens. She also got we changed her crib to a bed. It's a convertible one, so we converted the crib to a bed. Let's see what she thinks about that. ¿Estás lista para ver la casa nueva?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
Welcome home.
¿Tu dollhouse? Sí, mira, ve tu cama. Mira, ve. ¡Wow! ¿Te gusta? Yeah.
Like the house.
A new house. This is a new house, yeah.
Lay down. Lay down. Okay, night night.
Make her take off her shoes, please.
Wanna come up? Now Lily can come sleep
Ooh,
with
is
you.
Lily gonna sleep with
Down.
you?
Down. Good girl.
Hi guys, today is day 4. Actually, we're basically done with moving. We just gotta go back to the house, make sure that we didn't leave anything behind, clean up the place, all of that. Right now it's looking like a hot mess, but once everything is looking nice and clean, I guess I can do a tour or something like that. Just let me know in the comments. But other than that, we are done with this vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want more of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Dance un beso.